Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Know the exact fish region spot, the in-game time window, and that you have 5,200 currency plus open inventory. Once you have those, head straight to the landmark or waypoint and stand near the spawn point. Do not wander off. Make sure to sync your clock to game time or trigger a day-night cycle via resting. This early action eliminates guesswork and gets you into the precise moment the daily shopkeeper will appear, so you can engage promptly and avoid wasted time. Next, focus on the middle step, getting the shopkeeper to spawn and stay. Move within the 10-15 meter trigger radius and perform a short interaction like an emote or minimal purchase. This often forces the NPC to populate. Once done, watch for spawn cues such as a shimmer, unique sound, or a distinct idle animation. Those confirm success. If the NPC despawns, back out of radius and re-enter to reset. These actions control the spawn behavior, so you can reliably access the shop. To finish, transact efficiently because daily shop stock and offers reset at a fixed hour. Buy or stash items fast. If the shopkeeper fails to appear, relogging often fixes spawn glitches. Alternatively, advance the in-game time by resting or traveling away and returning, and make sure no hostile mobs or scripted events are blocking the spawn point. Finally, note the exact coordinates and time so future daily runs are predictable. This closes the loop and minimizes future troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.